Understanding the phrase, give it a pass. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, give it a pass. This expression is quite common in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and unpack what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, give it a pass, essentially means to choose not to participate in something or to decline an offer. It's often used when someone decides not to engage with an opportunity, activity, or even to avoid a certain situation. It's a polite and informal way of saying no to something without giving a detailed explanation. 1. Social situations. Imagine a friend invites you to a party, but you're not feeling up to it. You might say, I think I'll give it a pass this time. 2. Workplace scenarios. When offered a task that you don't feel comfortable doing, you could use the phrase to politely decline. I'll have to give it a pass, but thanks for considering me. 3. Everyday decisions. It can also be used for simple daily choices. For instance, if someone offers you a type of food you don't like, you could say, I'll give it a pass. While using the phrase, remember it's informal. It's perfect for casual conversations but might not be suitable in very formal or official settings. Also, be cautious not to confuse it with pass it up, which can sometimes have a similar meaning but is used differently. And that's all about the phrase, give it a pass. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in different contexts will make your English sound more natural and fluent. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. See you in our next lesson.